Hey, it's Jen Vax with YourColorStyle.com, and I want to introduce you to the DIY color analysis color fan. So this is a lot of fun because it is the exact colors that my consultants use to drape individuals for their color analysis. It's also a great way to identify the colors that I'm referring to. So when you're going through the companion course with this color fan or any of the other DIY color analysis courses that I offer, I'll refer to things like a warm pink or yellow base colors or a cool pink. But if you're not trained in seeing that difference in colors, it can be confusing. And I don't want that. I want you to know exactly what I mean. So this color fan here has all of the draping colors, the exact colors that I've trained my consultants to use to figure out what your color type is. And there is a companion course that goes along with this. So it guides you through how to narrow down all these pages, these beautiful colors, down to your specific color type. And so this is all part of the DIY color analysis bundle. The bundle includes this color fan shipped to you. It has 40 pages of colors. You will only need a small selection of them, but you can see the colors and drape yourself. Even sometimes seeing the colors, the specific colors that differentiate between whether you are warm or cool can make all the difference. It's really easy to say, oh, I look good in blue, so I must have cool undertones, but that's simply not true. So the colors in here are the specific colors that will only look good on you for that particular color type. And you'll have these in your hand, so you don't have to guess to what I mean, and then you can drape yourself, you can hold them up to yourself, and figure that out, your color type, as you go through the companion course that goes along with it, step by step. The other amazing thing about the DIY color analysis bundle is you get the color fan. Oh, and with the color fan, you get an adorable little bag in case you want to go shopping and find the colors to drape yourself in. Put them in there, and a little ring to hold the cards together if you want. You will also get 4 other bonus courses along with this because I want to make sure you have all of the right information as you go through this course. So you may very quickly identify your color type using the color fan and the companion course, or you might need a little extra information. Maybe you're stuck between color types, so you'll get the Discover Your Best Colors in 30 Minutes, which gives you a lot of really good tips on narrowing down very quickly between 2 or 3 color types. You'll have the full methodology in the 3 steps to discovering your best colors. And you'll even have the fun DIY online color analysis course, which shows you how to put your photo in the ring of colors of Your Color Style color wheels. So all of that together can really help you do your own color analysis, which will save you a lot of money and a lot of time. So this is new. The DIY color analysis fan is new, and I think that it's going to make all the difference when you're learning your most flattering colors, your color style, color type. So click on the link to take you over to the DIY color analysis bundle. You can see all the details that are included with this offer, and I hope that it helps you discover your most flattering colors.